Hi and welcome back again to another update on my fancy super cool game called Platformer. I know about the wrong team, we all know because we saw the last video. Anyways, I thought multiplayer is kinda cool. Also, I'm kinda cool and my game is as well.
I hate it.
So I smashed a little bit of my soul together with the game and Unity's multiplayer services, and voila, as I like to say to integrate my French subscribers, we have a multiplayer platformer. Here is how I did it. What the heck? Who are you? Me? Yes, I'm just you. Keep on talking. No, get out of my way. No, I'm you understand? No? Okay, great. I'm here to replace your ugly face because we didn't hit 1,000 likes on the last video to get the face reveal. Okay, well, as I said, I needed to set up basic network functionality to synchronize the position and rotation of the player to other players. Let me explain. Oh god, not you again. So, here we have 3 clients and a server in the middle. Hey Moo, you may ask, how the heck is one player going to know what others are doing? Good question. In theory, when you hit the jump button, your phone is going to ask the server whether you are allowed to jump. Yo bro, can I yeet? And then the server is like, yes boy, also I'm going to tell the others that you just yeeted. The good thing with this is, you can't cheat, cause Big Daddy server can just say, no idiot, you can't yeet. Yeah, you know how I just said in theory? We are not doing that here. In Platformer, your phone goes like, hey boy, can I yeet? And then the server may even say, no little bitch. And you go, brr, I don't care. And the server is like, fuck, okay. The benefit with this is, you see, while you request the server to let you jump, time goes by. And when you click jump, you want to jump now. Big brain boys would have made something called client-side prediction. But yeah, I'm not smart and I don't understand a word of this. So we stick with this mess of code that allows cheating. For the part where the code looks good and everything works, I followed the tutorial series by Dilmer Valley. What the heck? How do you pronounce this?
Dilmer Valachilos.
Okay, Dilmer Val... Ah shit, never mind. It took several days to figure out, but here we are with 2 instances of the game playing with each other. As you can see, it's not perfect, but the basics are done. The only problem is, playing multiple instances on the same device is not quite the point of multiplayer. I want to be able to play with my friends.
I hate it.
And for that I needed to set up the Big Daddy server, because at the moment the server was the same PC as the player. Luckily, I don't need to buy a server, because Unity is so awesome to provide one for free, at the moment at least.
One eternity later.
Hey, what do you think of the game now?
I still hate it.
Ah, perfect. As you can see, I implemented Unity's relay system that allows multiplayer games across the internet, not only on my computer. The only problem left is, it is unintuitive and goddamn ugly to join or create a game. I mean, just look at that. Ugh. Pfft. Disgusting. That's the thing I fix next. While you see me work on the UI, I'm going to tell you a thing or two about accessibility. Yeah, it's unintuitive as fuck to join a game right now. First, a host has to start a game, then somehow tell the other players a game code they need to join this exact game, and I can't write, as we know, so typing a code is really hard for me. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are here to see Moobits enter his phone code. Oh! He does not get that right first try. Second try is kind of close. And it's not. He did it! Oh my god, that's something you did not expect from him. He's an idiot. Yeah, nice. So I looked at another game made with Unity that handles that pretty well. Also, it's kind of sus. I want this lobby system with rooms and public and private and all of the fancy stuff. So after several days of trying to figure out how Unity's new lobby system works, I had a big headache and a big mess of spaghetti. Spaghetti code, that is. I'm just going to explain it to you real quick. So this thing, like, it sometimes makes errors. That's good. That's good average, because that thing that always makes errors. That's really bad. You know, that actually works like at least half of the time. I don't know, maybe every third time. I have no idea. Oh, God, that's all. I don't even know what that is. I just copied that from, you know, Stack Overflow and stuff, and Jesus Christ, that crashes Unity every time. I have no idea what even query or what, help. Anyways, after a few hours or days of programming, not sure how long it actually took, I lost track of time, I started and connected to my first public lobby, which is actually quite an achievement considering how many hours I spent just on reading the documentation. But what we have now is a, I don't want to say robust, but like decent base to build a nice multiplayer system on top of. And I did. The UI was now cleaner, and I think what you see here is the first time as well where my PC and my phone were connected over the lobby system. And as you can see, it kind of just works, everything together. The mobile player is being synchronized correctly, and there are just a few warnings in the console, which is overall quite impressive considering I wrote most of the code by myself. But now we are starting with the fun part. Different colored players, that is. Players will be able to choose the color of the character individually. As you can see, at the moment there's blue, cyan, green, orange, purple, red, grey and yellow. But there's room for more, and maybe even some funky patterns in the future. Here is how the color selection works in the game, with the new UI to select colors and the main menu. Well, I guess we can call that an absolute success. And the next thing I added was something very special. I'm actually quite proud of this. And I call it the Rgb Gaming Lights. Okay, no, for real. I added a rainbow effect that changes the player's color 5 times a second. I guess that's the fastest way to show you all of the colors. Oh, and not to forget, you can't select this. There is a 1 in 1,000 chance you get this when joining a game. After that, I got bored of the old level and started to work on the procedural level generation. So every time you play in a different level. That level has, just like a Minecraft world, a seed that creates that one specific level. And this is at the start of the game communicated between the player who owns the lobby and the others. So the owner, or so-called host, is like, yo boys, 01450902, and the others are like, yes boy, I accept. And they build the level at the same time, and all of the players can run against each other on a different map each time. In the end, I have a clip for you of me playing with 2 of my friends. The map generating works and you can restart a round with a new level. Also, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you for the positive feedback, and I guess I'll have to do a 10 subscriber special now to all of you who are actually crazy enough to subscribe. Yes, I will publish a beta version of the game on Sunday for all of you to test and play. There will be a community post if I figure out how to do it. So I guess subscribe, and thanks for watching till the end, and I hope I'll be playing with you in the near future. Bye.